The great Novo account withdrawal mystery. How much can you really take out? Ever get that sinking feeling when you need cash, but you're not sure how much your fancy new debit card will actually spit out? Yeah, me too. Especially with these new online bank accounts, all the bells and whistles, sleek interfaces, but where's the transparency on cold, hard cash? Today, we're cracking the code on Novo accounts. Specifically, how much moolah can you yank out at an ATM in the heat of the moment, or a planned shopping spree? No judgment here. Buckle up, because Novo's answer is a little bit unique. Now, Novo isn't your standard bank. It's a fintech company that partners with brick-and-mortar banks to offer these snazzy online accounts. Think of it as the cool, tech-savvy cousin of your traditional bank. Pretty darn convenient, but it can also mean things work a little differently. So, how much can you withdraw? Well, here's the plot twist. Novo doesn't actually have one set withdrawal limit for everyone. That's right, it's not a one-size-fits-all situation. Instead, they base your withdrawal limit on your individual business needs. Intrigued? Confused? Let's unpack this. Novo understands that every business is different. The freelancer on Fiverr might not need the same access to cash as the construction company owner. That's why they take a personalized approach, setting withdrawal limits tailored to your specific account activity. Here's the good news, there are no minimum balances to worry about with Novo. That means you can keep your account squeaky clean and still access your funds. But without a set limit advertised up front, how do you actually find out what your magic withdrawal number is? There are a couple of ways. First, you can check your Novo app. Dive into the glorious world of your account info section. Somewhere in that digital jungle, you'll find your glorious withdrawal limit waiting to be discovered. Feeling a little less app savvy? No worries. Novo boasts a top-notch customer support team. These are the folks who know the ins and outs of your account better than anyone, besides maybe you. So, don't hesitate to reach out and ask them about your specific withdrawal limit. Now, this personalized approach does have its perks. It means Novo can potentially grant you higher withdrawal limits if your business needs it. Need to grab a big chunk of cash for an inventory purchase? They might be able to adjust your limit to accommodate that, as long as you communicate and show them why you need the extra access. However, there is a flip side. Since there's no upfront, one-size-fits-all limit, it can feel a little uncertain at first. You might be wondering, will my limit be enough for that upcoming expense? It's a valid concern, and that's why communication with Novo's customer support is key. Here's a tip, be proactive. If you foresee a situation where you'll need a higher withdrawal limit, reach out to Novo beforehand. Explain your situation and see if they can adjust your limit temporarily. Better to be safe than sorry, right? Alright, so we've established that Novo withdrawal limits are a choose-your-own-adventure situation. But what about those pesky ATM fees? Let's face it, coughing up an extra $5 every time you need cash can put a damper on your spending spree. Here's where Novo shines again. They reimburse you for any ATM fees you incur, up to a cool $7 a month. That's right, $7 whole to spend on, well, whatever your heart desires, within reason, of course. So, to answer the burning question, how much can you withdraw from a Novo account? It depends on your individual business needs and the limit Novo sets for you. But with the option for higher limits and ATM fee reimbursement, Novo makes accessing your cash a relatively smooth experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.